Hello viewers, I am Ayyanar Jayabalan. Now we will discuss about how to create custom directives in Angular. Basically, directives, there are mainly two types of directives. One is structural directive, another one is attribute directive. Structural directive, like ng if, ng for, it will completely change the behavior of the element. Like it will just create or remove that element from the DOM. So mainly the structural directive will make an impact in the DOM, but in attribute directive basically it will change the appearance of the element, like ng style, ng class. So basically we will apply a css and class and all. So now we will see how to create our own custom directive, attribute directive, to change the appearance of the element. Let's get into the implementation now. I have already created one application here. I'm just going to create one custom directive using that Angular CLI command. So ng generate directive. I'm going to directive name as green text. I'm going to create the directive green text. So custom directive is created here. You see that. So this is our directive. So basically we will create a directive with a decorator of directive, and we have to mention the selector name. So that is app green text. Let me change to this one to green text. So here also, now I want to change the appearance of the any element. Okay, so for that what should I do? I have to get the, for example, let me create one paragraph tag. This is sample text. Okay, I want to change the appearance of this paragraph tag. For now, if you see that one, if I am, just a minute, green text was, I just now I changed the name. Let me change in the module. Okay, so now it's showing with this, in black color with the background of white. So let me change this, be appearance of this text to green color by means of attribute directive. So this is a directive. I'm going to use, if I'm going to use this directive in my here in my paragraph tag, let me see is anything changing or not. No, it is not changing because we didn't write any code to change this to green color. So this is our element. Okay, so to change the appearance, we have to get the element reference ref. Okay, so and also I'm going to implement the ng on init. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the behavior. So behavior of the element, I'm going to take eref dot native element dot style dot color equal to green. Okay, so let me save it. You see that one, the color of the text is changed to green color. Okay, I want to change the black background color. You see here, I have changed the background color of element. So this is a way through the custom directory you can change the appearance of the element. Here of our element is paragraph tag. Okay, so you can apply this attribute directory to any HTML element like a div or span, like that. Okay, thank you. Hope you enjoyed that and understand that one, how to create a custom directive and how to apply it in our Angular application. Please subscribe if you would like to see more tech videos like this. Thank you.